How to add font to Cricut Design Space. Step 1. Quit your Cricut Design app if opened. Step 2. Download your font. Step 3. Navigate to the downloaded font notification and drag it to the desktop. Step 4. Double-click the file to unzip and open the folder. Step 5. Click on the OTF file and choose Install Font. Step 6. Launch the Design app. Click the text option, and type. Step 7. Select the text. Go to Font in the top toolbar and select System. Step 8. Type the font name in the search bar and select it to apply to the text. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.